up, guys? Welcome back. What is Jamie doing over there? He doesn't even know what he's doing. Anyway, it's early, and why wouldn't you start an earlier road trip with a flat tire? We're just leaving the shop right now. One of the advantages to owning a shop is you can fix your own flat tire at 5 o'clock in the morning. Not that I wanted to, and then on top of that, let's just put the icing on the cake. And I want you guys to drop me a comment if you do this. So I took my GoPro in there to film fixing this tire for you guys. And I couldn't find it after. But then when I found it, it was exactly where I left it. You guys ever do that? Put something down, can't find it, but then when you find it, you're like, it's exactly where I left it. All right, guys, we've got a 600 kilometer, I don't know what that is in miles, road trip. We're gonna hammer this out and get on with the video. All right, guys, we're just pulling to Lloydminster right now. We're about halfway through the trip. It's 300 kilometers. I don't know what that is in miles because I don't speak American. Anyway, we're pulling into Lloyd here. We're gonna grab some gas, some snacks, some Starbucks, and then finish the last leg of the trip. It's a long drive. Like, you know, when you do it, I mean, I've done this drive now for you guys every weekend. I'm just trying to think here. I would say the last 8 weekends I've done this drive.
It's fucking cold out.
And Jamie says it's cold out. What's the temperature? 1.5?
Yeah.
Winter up in here. Yeah, where were you on that one? Kind of loud in here. I hope you guys can hear me. I still haven't told you what we're doing because I don't know what we're doing. I have an idea of what we're doing, but I don't know what we're actually doing. So anyway, still cruising along. I think we're 4 or 5 hours into this trip. 5 hours right now. But it's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. There's some cool stuff when we get there. I promise you guys that. That's all I have right now. It's not the most exciting when driving through the prairies. I'll do a time lapse here and show you guys how exhilarating this is. All right, guys, we're here. Jamie's lecturing me about ticks over here. Anyway, what we're finally here for is to build a heist car in the Fast and Furious series. This car needs a little bit of love. It's got a little dent there. Apparently it got hit by a company work truck, but another field rescue vehicle, I guess. And what are you feeling, Jamie? How are you feeling about this?
It's pretty good, pretty good.
Pretty good?
Liking it.
I think the potential is there. It needs to be fixed right here.
What about that Civic?
That's but there's none of those on the Fast and Furious, Jamie. This needs to be fixed. The potential's there. Potential's there?
Looks good, yeah.
We're just waiting on Mark, the owner, to get here. We kind of broke in to... Never mind, he just got here. So the only question is, Mark's got a lot of parts. Does he have the parts we need to complete this car? Or do we also buy the D-Series turbo car? But this thing, for sitting outside for the last few years, look, it hasn't moved since 2018. Is got a pile of potential to it. So this is the other contender. So if I bought this car, I would take the turbo system and discs off this and put them on the other car. Neither, like, what was the other one, an SI car? I actually didn't pay attention, but this one does have a turbo on the D series. I don't know who and why you would turbo D series, but it's already there. So, or we could put that turbo system in the other Civic. Somebody deleted the AC on this. You can see there's the AC stuff there. But yeah, it does have a turbo on it. Actually a pretty big turbo at that. We'll see. So it's got a lip kit, intercooler, lots of cool little stuff on it. Well, we made a deal on what will be the heist car. It's got the proper wheels on it. It needs a little rust repair, but overall it's not bad. It needs a body kit. The wing is going to be a nightmare to find, but we'll get this loaded up and get going here. Is Peter in there?
Correct. I think so.
Yeah.
Here, you need a battery charger too?
Yeah.
I'll get that.
Oh, he's not even in here. Well, we made her. There goes the car. We're going to try and get this thing running yet today. I'm confident we might be able to do it. We'll have to see what happens here. I'm confident. That's the first start, Jamie, is confidence.
Confident we might be able to do it.
Yeah, confident I might be able to do it. Peter's here somewhere. Nobody knows where Peter is. We were just saying, do you even work here anymore?
No.
No.
I just come here to get free coffee and tea. And
yeah, well, that's what Ryan does too,
yeah,
right? He shows up, has coffee and tea, and goes. So where is Ryan today?
Oh, you just missed him.
Where is he?
Yeah, he's planning his vacation.
What?
Yeah.
Where's
He just went on
now?
vacation with you.
No.
Where's he going
No,
now?
that was not a vacation.
People think YouTube grind is easy. Is it easy?
No.
No, it is actually exhausting.
Yeah, it is.
Especially when you go on a trip to do videos.
Yeah.
How many videos did you do?
I think we got 8 from that 4-day trip.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's about
and it
average,
was-
two a day.
Yeah.
I'm here
Yeah.
for 3 days, I have to do 4,
Yeah.
you know?
The entire drive, you're just filming the entire time. After you're done, you go back to the hotel, you upload footage for 6 hours.
Exactly, this
You
is
wake
what
up
I've been
in the
saying.
morning and you got to go and do it all over again.
Yeah. I've
Never
taken
ends.
lots of people with me that are like, I don't know how you do it. Like, because they're laying in bed, like, playing on their phone and you're uploading videos and
Oh,
footage.
yeah.
Yeah. It's a grind.
48-hour workday.
48, yeah, in
Yeah.
24 hours.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, at our age, you age at 2.5 times, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Well, I don't.
You don't, no.
No.
He's actually 56. Does he look 56? So, Peter, you see what's going on here?
I do. Steve bought another Honda.
To store at 24/7 Exotics.
That's right, yeah. Well, we got one more spot in this bay for you, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to try and get a mobile, and then we'll help Daryl take it to Saskatoon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
I will tell you, compared to the last shit show using the Bobcat trailer,
Yeah.
I don't know why I didn't pay $200 for a tow truck.
Well, the Bobcat trailer was $3.99.
Yeah.
That's why.
Jamie is cheap.
Yeah. What?
You're cheap. Your labor rate. I think it's pretty sick. I wouldn't put a bike on mine. Although, I mean, I was gay enough to have a ski box on mine. Okay.
He's missing the giant scoop that you had.
On the
Scoop?
front?
Yeah, the snow pusher thing. The bulldozer, the
carbon fiber
thing
whip?
off that giant cat thing that you had, made out of carbon fiber. It was like 6 times as wide as the car. What was that thing? The front diffuser?
Front splitter?
Oh, the splitter.
Yeah.
Peter, like, dad jokes, bro.
Well, you guys are dads. Like, I gotta
Right?
try to fit in, right?
Yeah, right, yeah.
Turns on and runs.
I know what he's gonna do with it.
Okay.
What do you think I'm gonna do with it?
What do you think he's gonna do with it?
Well, I was hoping you just kind of clean it up, make it run, and sell it to me.
He's going down the rabbit hole, bro. He's building the f***ing Fast and the Furious cars is what he's doing.
Let's see here.
Oh, okay. Make his own collection.
The heist Civic.
It's pretty close.
This one's got the spoon engine.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, or D series.
Does it have the purple underglow?
We don't even know what it has, man.
I do.
No center caps on these ones, but that's all right. It's a weight reduction, rotating mass.
What you did with that red Mitsubishi, that looked awesome.
Yeah, well, you should.
That was an awesome
Jamie,
transformation.
tell him what it looks like right now. The red Mitsubishi.
Yeah, I've seen that.
No, but you saw it yesterday.
Oh, by the way, nice wheel choice.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
You should see the car in
same wheels
person.
that I
though.
have on the BRZ.
You should see the car in person. Well, I've got a video on my other channel, on my Stevie Coos channel.
Yeah.
I've got a video coming up Monday, I think, and you can see everything we did to it, how many dead mice were on it.
Yeah, no, that was a nice transformation.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, now we got this one next. Yeah, a little bit of rust right there. But the interior seems nice.
The front right fender, but
Yeah.
other than that, yeah, it looks like this one's gonna be.
I think Irina's worried it's going to hit the ground, and I'm just standing over here like, it's going to be fine. Does it say snap on?
No, now it's a spoon.
Spoon. Okay.
Official
now,
spoon.
Peter, not spelled in the conventional way. How do you spell your name?
P-I-O-T-R.
Okay. Well, I'm going to spell it P-E-T-E-R.
Yeah.
We need some screwdrivers.
Okay.
We're going to hotwire Civic and a battery charger.
Okay.
And we're going to see if this thing runs.
Now, do you know what kind of screwdrivers you need? Flat, Robertson?
One thing at a time. It won't be Robertson because it's not Canadian, or, you know, Robertson's only Canadian, right?
That
Yeah.
screw head is found around the world. And
The
it's
Robertson?
It's
But it's
number
Canadian.
one- Yeah, I know it's Canadian.
Yeah. Like the Caesar drink. You know about the Caesar drink? It was invented in Calgary.
No, I did not know that.
Yeah, see, I'm
I
here all
thought
day.
it was invented
I'm a
by
fountain of
Julius
use-
Caesar.
No, I am a fountain of useless information.
Same
and
with
I
the
look at it all
Caesar
day.
salad. I thought that was invented by Julius Caesar as well.
And then you were disappointed. I am convinced I invented the chicken ranch wrap, although others have totally different. But
I'm convinced that you solely are responsible for the fact that Swiss Chalet is still a franchise.
yes, and I will have it at some point this weekend.
There you go.
I don't know if this will reach. I don't think so, but let's see.
At some point I gotta go and help my sister set up for her baby shower on Sunday. But other than that, not a whole lot. Get over to Ryan's and boost his McLaren. Boost it like a Honda.
Okay, let's see if this thing runs. Oh, Jamie, you had one job to do, bro.
It's right there.
This is why he's cheap labor. He just doesn't complete the work.
Yeah. 15 amp. volts.
I think it's say all they want.
No,
They took it apart.
We got dash lights. Fired right up.
3 for 3.
3 for 3. It runs good. Dude, like, wow. Oh yeah, it's totally cooling off. AC 100% works, yeah. I can feel it cold. Well, let's turn it off here, Jamie. Just hold on a sec, bro. I got you. I'll do it again.
Nothing at all?
No, I need the booster pack, Jamie. Do you have it still there, or did you take it in? Hey, what do you think, Peter?
It's like a dream.
Right?
It runs so smooth.
How excited are you right now?
Very. I don't think this thing's making it to Saskatchewan. I think it's coming right to my acreage, like today.
So the fate of the Civic and the spoon are in you, literally.
Yes, they're in my hands.
Yes, literally in your hands.
Not
You
a
think you can handle it? I showed you what to do.
I hope so.
Daryl's gonna haul it.
Yes.
Life's good.
Yeah,
How
absolutely.
are you feeling about the Civic?
I like it a lot. I'm really hoping it stays.
Yeah, I know you have a soft spot for Civics.
I do.
I'll sell it to you for $4,500.
Deal. Do your project, make your videos, haul it back here.
Yeah, I'm not hauling it back here.
No,
I have Jamie to drive it.
I'll fly out and drive it back myself.
Yeah, that's how nice
I'll
you are.
bring a spoon too.
Yeah, spoon engine or?
Yeah.
Oh!
It is in the hands of 24/7 Exotics.
That's right.
And
It
we'll
is.
leave it to you. Kind of a big deal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm also that,
Right?
and people are this.
Right. Well,
Yeah.
there you are. All right, so we're down. Let's fire it up.
How do you fire this thing up?
Right here. See this white thing? Right here. Put the key in there. That's your key. Oh. Oh, delivery day for Civic as it's pouring rain outside or starting to. Looking good, Serge. Straight back. Keep it going. Lots of room. Tons of room. Oh yeah, lots of room. You're good. You're clear. All right, perfect. This'll buff out. I'm not worried about this. What'd you find under there, Serge? How's it look?
Looks really clean.
Really clean?
Really clean.
Better than those two cars.
Like you're impressed?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, I want the white one now, if it's like this.
Yeah, well, I'll have to check for you. Timing belt was just done in September 2011. So,
Just done, yeah.
what year were you born?
So 2011, that would have been like, I would have been 14 then,
Yeah.
15.
Cool. This would be a cool car. The sunroof and everything works on it too. So stereo works. Gotta get another ignition lock. But yeah, but Keegan, don't bang on my car.
Just put in trims back.
You'll bang on your Tiburon. This wiper blade.
would bang a Tiburon.
Yeah. Wiper blade. Nothing there.
AC. This car has AC.
I know, it was an AC car. I forgot to mention that, yeah. And you know what's funny? You ready for this? It works.
Really?
Yeah. Leave it to Honda, right? Car sits for 4 years, the AC works, but the car you drive every day, the AC never works. We'll give it a polish once we get it all together. And then over here, we'll fix this. And you can tell the quarter panel's been replaced at one point. Maybe it shifted or something, lifted the butt off of it, but easy to fix. Blend and paint it. Good boy. Good boy. Shake. 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 Where's your hand? Good boy. New spoiler for the Civic showed up today. We're gonna get it opened up here. It's apparently blocked. So Doug said that it would need some body work.
Yeah.
And I'm like, you sure? He's like 100% guaranteed. Well, he wasn't wrong. Well, can confirm it definitely will need some body work. There and there and there and there and in there. Weird how that is, but Well, it looks cool. Definitely a few hours of body work to be done. It looks cool. Found this in the car. They don't even make these anymore. Maybe they do and I don't know, but this used to be the thing people used before service manuals online came along. I'm gonna give this to Graham. Graham's gonna love this. So we're off to go pick up some parts for the heist car. And a lot of people don't know that I actually used to do body work. I did body work for a lot of years on vehicles. So this is not new to me. So that said, we're gonna find hopefully some used parts for the heist car. I do have a friend, Donovan. I've put him in a couple videos. I'll put a video right here of the Honda CRX, that video he was in. Donovan is, and I love you, Donovan, but you're a hoarder. There's no nice way to say it. You're a hoarder. And I ironically have started developing the same syndrome, problem. It's not a problem. It's a good problem. I've started developing the same issue where I've started just hoarding things, and maybe it's an age thing. Donovan is a couple years older than me. Maybe it's an age thing. I don't know. I don't know what it is. But anyway, so I'm just heading out to Donovan's now. I'm hoping that he does have a right front fender for the car and some different headlights, and we'll see what else he has. Donovan's always got cool stuff. That's it for this one, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video. There's gonna be more to come, more videos of this car, and obviously we're gonna be making content, traveling with the car, showing people the car once things get going that way. Thanks for watching.